Most of us would do almost anything for a brain that actually stays focused for more than 5 minutes at a time. That is exactly the desire that products like Neura Shield are betting on when they land in your social media feed. I looked at this bottle for a while, wondering if I was looking at a scientific breakthrough or just a really expensive art project. The packaging is incredible. It has a premium feel that makes you want to believe your brain is getting a software update. But we have to look past the shiny plastic. I started digging into what is actually inside those capsules. You see a lot of familiar names on the label. Many of these ingredients are things you have probably heard of in health circles. The problem is the evidence. When you look at the clinical studies, the numbers do not always add up. They use dosages that are sometimes much lower than what researchers use to find actual results. It feels like they are sprinkling in just enough to put the name on the box. This is where the marketing starts to feel a bit like a magic show. They use words like mental clarity and brain optimization. Those sound great on a website. They look even better in a social media ad, but what do they actually mean? You cannot really measure clarity with a ruler. It is a subjective feeling, and feelings are very easy to manipulate. I went through hundreds of user reviews to see if people were actually turning into geniuses. The results were all over the place. Some people swear it changed their lives. Others said they might as well have been swallowing air. That tells me this is not a universal solution. It is a gamble with your wallet. This stuff is not cheap. When you are dropping that kind of cash every month, you expect fireworks. You want to feel like a light bulb just clicked on in your head. From what I can gather, that rarely happens. If there is an effect, it is subtle. It is the kind of thing where you wake up and think, maybe I feel a bit more focused today, but then you wonder if it was a supplement or just the fact that you had a decent cup of coffee. The line between a real result and a placebo effect is incredibly thin here. The company is transparent about what they put in the bottle, which I respect. They are not hiding behind proprietary blends that mask the actual amounts. However, transparency is not the same as effectiveness. You can be perfectly honest about selling someone a lemon, but it is still a lemon. If you are already doing everything right, sleeping well, eating clean, staying hydrated, then maybe this gives you a tiny edge. It is like buying a high-end gym bag when you have not actually started working out yet. It makes you feel like you are on the path to success without the actual sweat. But if you are looking for a shortcut to fix a messy lifestyle, you are going to be disappointed. No pill can outrun a lack of sleep or a bad diet. It is a long game too. They tell you to take it for weeks or even months. That is a lot of money to spend on a hope and a prayer. I am not calling this a scam. It is a real product with real ingredients. But the gap between the hype and the reality is wide. You have to ask yourself if you are buying science or if you are just buying the feeling of doing something productive for your health. Often the ritual of taking a supplement is more powerful than the supplement itself. We love the idea of a quick fix. We crave a shortcut to a better version of ourselves. Neura Shield plays into that desire perfectly. It looks the part. It speaks the language. In the end, it feels more like a luxury accessory for your brain than a necessary tool. If you have the extra money and you enjoy experimenting, go for it. Just keep your feet on the ground. Do not expect to wake up with a photographic memory. Real growth takes work, and usually, that work cannot be found inside a bottle.